Are you tired of the 35 picture limit on TikTok and you want to create longer and more engaging videos? You are in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to bypass TikTok's 35 picture limit and share your creativity with a larger audience. You can also add more than 35 videos by using this method, so just follow my steps. It's really easy to do this, and this will work for both iOS and Android devices. The first step is to open your App Store or the Google Play Store, and then you'll search for CapCut if you don't have it already. We'll download CapCut, which is a free video editor that's available for both iPhone and Android devices. If you don't have CapCut, then download it and open it. When you open the app, it's gonna look something like this, and we'll create a new project. That's gonna open our photo gallery where we can select the videos and the pictures that we want to add to our TikTok video. We can select up to 50 or even 100 photos and videos, so you can take your time here. I'm only gonna add 4 photos for the purpose of this video, but you can add videos as well. When you select the photos and videos, simply tap on the add button right here and they will be added to your timeline. There's a couple small things that we need to do in order to make a quality TikTok video. Select the ratio option and then select a 9:16 ratio. You'll see it has a TikTok logo, and that's the TikTok format which we need for our video. You can select a photo or video on the timeline and then pinch to zoom if you want to make a photo full screen or if you need to make it a little bit bigger. You can also tap on the little lines between the photos and videos if you want to add transitions between them. And also, if you have to make your photos or videos shorter or longer, you can click on the beginning or the end of the photo and drag it. When you're happy with your video, you can click on the arrow in the top right corner of the screen and wait for the video to be uploaded to your photo gallery. After this, you will have your TikTok video that you can upload, and it will have more than 35 photos or videos. If this video helped you out and you want more similar tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.